Look closely at the surface. These imperfections are critical indicators of the coil's integrity.
Emerging from the inferno, the newly formed steel billet begins its journey down the line.
The cutting tool engages the workpiece at high speed, rapidly removing material with the assistance of high-pressure coolant. The
From this vantage point, the scale of the operation becomes clear. Dozens of machines working in perfect, rhythmic synchronization. The macro lens reveals the intricate texture of the raceway surface, precision engineered for optimal performance. As the rings are lifted from the quench tank, the sudden temperature change creates massive plumes of steam. Fresh from the furnace, these superheated rings are now staged for the grinding process, the next critical step in their production.
A side-by-side comparison reveals the duality of speed, polished aerodynamics versus the raw, unbridled power of the rough terrain.
Here we see the outer race being precisely pressed into place by the automated assembly unit, securing the bearings within the housing.
Utilizing advanced sensors, the robotic system meticulously checks for any imperfections before proceeding to the next stage.
Lubrication is followed by the rapid, precise insertion of the bearing seal by the automated press.
Our automated systems ensure unparalleled precision, guaranteeing the highest quality in every component we produce. Here, in the heart of the assembly line, the bearing is tested at extreme velocity, a testament to modern engineering precision. Utilizing robotic precision,
The sensor is attached directly to the bearing as it moves down the assembly line.
Before packaging, the bearings undergo a precise laser ablation process to ensure absolute purity. Process complete. Surface integrity looks flawless.
Agreed. The tolerances are well within spec.
Utilizing advanced automation, the system meticulously transfers the sealed bearings from the conveyor directly into the shipping containers. Using advanced logistics, the forklift transports the boxed bearings directly to the consolidation point for final dispatch. Engineered for excellence, this premium bearing ensures smooth operation in the most demanding conditions.